Hello YouTube, Tredrick back to bust 2 boxes of 0910 O-Pee-Chee. Had a really good day so far today. Nephew's out of the hospital. Kane's got a point. We gotta set realistic standards for them. A friend of mine's diabetes is under control. You know, just an all-around good day here, so let's see if we can top it off with some more materials. Maybe even get a signature. My green record breaker, Vladimir Mahalik, retro. Tim Thomas, trophy winner, Ron Hainsey, retro. Everything else, base. John Scott, rookie, Colton Giles, Gillies, however he says it, numbered 63 out of 100. Matthew Lombardi, and Milan Lucic. I think I said that a little wrong. I don't know, maybe I'm crazy, but this one feels a little thick to me. Yeah, I'm crazy. Patrick Waugh, Thomas Vanek, retro. Red Kelly legend, Scott Lehman, retro. Grant Lewis, rookie. Is it Braden Coburn, Canadian Heroes, and David Bax, retro. Ryan Getzlaff for the Ducks team checklist. Adam Foote, retro. Sergei Samsonov, gold foil rainbow, that's for the PC. Sergei Konstantin, retro. And Boychuk still using his rookie photo shoot. Guess they didn't have any cameras at his 2 games last year. Kendall McCardo, and Tobias Enstrom for the retro. Jeff Carter, game-winning goals leader. Joe Pavelski, rainbow retro, numbered to 63. David Krejci, retro. Daryl Sutter, legend. Sean Matthias, retro. Gilbert Peralt, legend. Kevin Westgarth, retro. Riku Helenis, rookie. Chris Mason, Canadian Heroes, and Tony Esposito, retro. I pulled a few packs out, didn't I? Jamie Cyphers, Rookie, Shea Weber, Canadian hero, and Mark Giordano, I'm sorry, retro. Ty Wishart, Rainbow Mike Fisher retro. Steve Mason All-Star, Jeff Finger retro. Gordie Howe Legend, Mark Stewart retro. Last couple came out upside down. You know what that means, right? That's right. Absolutely nothing. Shane Doan for the Coyotes team checklist, and Fabian Brunstrom. Thought I was saying that wrong. And the last front half packs. Luke Robitaille, Rainbow Legend. Scott Gomez, retro. Still one half front. Lanny McDonald, Legend. Chad LaRose, retro. That's a nice one for me. Big fan of his. Had an assist tonight. Thomas Vanek for the Sabres team checklist. Bobby Holik, retro. Hey, eventually I'll remember when I pull packs out. I mean, I got it at some point, right? Oh, that's my first one of these, a rainbow checklist. And Mike Richards, retro. Brandon Segal, rookie. Tessa Bonhomme, Canadian hero. And Dennis Grebeshkov, retro. Yeah. Apparently that day is not today. Dave Rowland, Rainbow. I seem to be doing good on those this box. Nicholas Backstrom, retro. I think you're only supposed to get 4 of them, maybe? I don't know, in my mind I've gotten at least that now. Dick Duff, Legend. Mike Knubel, retro. Hey, sort of remembered that time. Tim Thomas, All-Star. Ty Wishart, retro. And my foil Canadian heroes is Manon Rehum. I have no idea how to say your name, dude. Sorry. And Josh Harding for the non-foil. Rod Langway, retro. Troy Bodie, rookie. And Mike Komisarek, regular. I mean, it's almost worth pointing out that I got a regular base in there. And that'll be it for this video, and I'll clean up a bit and have another one. Have a good one.